Good morning, welcome back to Casa.texpina. It's Monday, build day number 167. It's going to be quiet today. We had a little bit of a reduction in force as we're moving into the finishing stages. Some of the labor crew have been let go. So we've got a smaller force here today, probably right now only about 8 to 9 people. From our usual 20. So as we move in, we should be starting to see more of the skilled tradesmen come in to work. So when they get here, we'll start introducing who those are and what portion of the skills they're going to be bringing to the table. In the interim today, we've got the painter here, we've got the electrician here, we've got our carpenters here. So we're continuing with the wall tile up in the media room half bath. Mr. Jojo is still continuing with that. Mr. Allen is our other carpenter is working on constructing the cabinetry for the main kitchen. So let's go ahead and walk around, see where everybody's at this morning, and let's get started. So as we get started here in the kitchen area, Mr. Allen is starting to do the initial layout for the upper kitchen cabinets here, as you can see. So he put up a little bit of a line here at the bottom to be able to see, get everything level. Just starting the initial layouts. All right, here in the media room half bath, Mr. Jojo is continuing with the wall tiles, working his way around and working his way up to the top. So they're going to wait to put the ceiling in until Mr. Jojo is done with the wall tiles, so they know how high up to go with the ceiling, so they don't have to chip and cut any of the tiles. And down the front of the house, Mr. Ricky flying solo, doing the body filling on the fence grills still. And slowly start working our way around. They've got the big one for this section is over here across the street, partially done. When the welders come back to be able to put that in, that'll go ahead and go in. They're leaving this one and the last one on this side over in the back off for now, so that they can continue with the supplies as they drop in dirt and fill material and other things. They can more readily bring those into the construction site. And of course, in the garage area, Mr. Chucks is still continuing to rough in our 2 electrical panels. Lots and lots of conduit going into place. Oh yeah, and as the plumber and the water filtration contractors both talked on Saturday, we know that the layout for the pad is good. So they've already gone ahead, put in the sand that they need. Probably look at pouring this sometime soon this week. We'll go ahead and get this pad done. So they already had it wetted down, and getting the compaction going on it with our big tamper over here. All right. Our Tinsmiths finished up this piece here on Saturday, and they did go ahead and put the additional piece of ridge capping over the top, all the way to the corner. So it's going to have that, it'll still look like it's all part of the normal roof line. When we put the screen in between the lower half and the upper half of the roofing, that hidden gutter should actually hide a little better. It may still be visible from the street, but not as much as a large gap. So the guys are back in this morning and continuing with the fascia flashing, as well as the lower roofing material here. So they're doing both at the same time and working their way around the house. All right, coming back in the afternoon, the guys are busy making some more cementous concrete. And this is for the pad that they started working on this morning for our pressure tank and water filtration system, so they're going from here that direction. Inside, Mr. Allen is continuing to work the kitchen cabinets. We had a slight redirect. Standard build for kitchen cabinets on the uppers is 12-inch. We've got at least 13-inch plates that would not fit in that section, so we asked him to redo it at a 15-inch cabinet depth. So from the front of the cabinet to the back is going to be 15 inches here. So a little slight redirect, good thing to catch it early. Well, while Mr. Jojo is out of the office for the moment, this is where we are with the tile in the media room half bath, or as they call it here, a powder room. We are 11 courses up on this middle one here, and that's the height that they're going to go to. What they're going to end up doing is they'll place the ceiling right across the top of that piece. So we should end up with right at a 9-foot ceiling inside the bathroom. Should be plenty tall for a bathroom. Quick, take a look. This is just a sample of what the cabinetry will look like for the main kitchen. So the same cornice that we're going to be using around the rest of the house for the ceilings is the same one that they're going to use for the top of the kitchen cabinetry. I guess they're trying to maintain a theme. So this is what we're looking at. And these are now 15-inch. These are now 15-inch deep cabinets. So we can sit just about any size plate in it that we need to. There will be a notch cut out right here for where the sink is, but that'll come later. This is just the initial look. We're getting there. We're getting there, folks. Baby steps, people, baby steps. All right, the engineer came bringing gifts today. We got all of the tiles for the Jack and Jill bath. Gonna be here in the lavatory for bedroom 3, the bathroom, and the lavatory for bedroom number 2. And yes, these are the tile colors. So we've got this design. It's going to be several different locations throughout. The light color pulling off of this one, and also the dark color pulling off of that stripe right there. So this is fun for Mr. Jojo to continue working on when he's done with the half bath upstairs. And again, I'm on the outside looking in for the meeting of the minds. Gonna have to work on that. That keeps happening when I'm not around. Funny. Yeah, the kitchen cabinets are coming along. This is the initial rough outline. And getting ready to get started on the other side by the breakfast bar. And this will be the refrigerator. The line right here is 2 meters off of the concrete at the bottom to allow space for the refrigerator, and the tile on the bottom on the floor, and then have 2 to 3 inches of space between the top of the refrigerator and the bottom of the cabinet. So that's what we're looking at there. So we'll have a tall cabinet up above it. Nice storage space for Miss Emie. Lots of storage space. They're doing a meeting of the minds to try to figure out the design of the island here in the middle of the kitchen. All right, it's yabba dabba do time. The guys are starting to wrap up, put tools away. Today we got to about 80 to 85% completed with the bathroom tile, wall tiles up in the media room, half bath. So that was good work done by Mr. Jojo and Mr. Gabby. We got the pad poured for the water tanks and water filtration system on the back. We've got to let that cure for at least a week and then give the water filtration guy a call so he can come install. Other than that, we are working with the carpenters are continuing to work on the cabinetry and the kitchen area, and we will continue to work on that tomorrow. So if y'all like today's video, please give us a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these videos, hit the casa.texpina star right over here and you'll be subscribed. Hit the bell icon just below the view screen right down there and you'll be subscribed. And have a great afternoon and God bless. No tango dinero, oh, no tango dinero, no.